Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the bank reconciliation statement. I will tell you now the accounting treatments of the favorable balances of cash book and the passbook. Preparations of the cash book. Generally, we have the two methods. The bank reconciliations can be prepared without adjusting the cash book, and the point 2 is related the after adjusting the cash book. But in this year, only the part A is listed, part B is not in your syllabus. Now, the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement without preparing the cash, adjusting cash book, we have the four methods. Number one is start with the cash book. Number one, debit balance as per cash book called as favorable balance. And the second is the credit balance, favorable balance of the passbook. And now the credit balance of the cash book called as unfavorable and overdraft and negative balance, and the debit balance as per passbook called as unfavorable balance and the overdraft and negative balance. So you may see here the two balances are there only. One start with the cash book and the one start with the passbook. When the cash book is there, debit and credit balance are there. One is positive, one is negative. And when the passbook is also there, one is debit and credit balance are there. Credit is favorable and the debit is unfavorable. Now you may see the one example here. The example date is from the following particulars. Mr. Vinod. Mr. Vinod, that is referring to the business man, and then the prepare the bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 2005. It means the reconciliation is preparing on 31st March. So you have to write down in this format. The solution is given bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Vinod on 31st March 2005. This is the title of the solution. Now the you see here the first transaction is bank balance as per cash book 50,000. When there is no mention debit and credit, always the favorable balance is to be taken. Cash book is there, so the cash book favorable balance is the debit balance. You may write down here the debit balance as per cash book 50,000 favorable remain on the positive side, plus side. Now, when you are passing with the debit balance, you have to see the transaction in the cash book, passbook. If the passbook is increasing, so you have to put the all the item to the plus item, or you may see the debit balance of the cash book will increase. In the same is the when the passbook is decreasing. When the passbook is decreasing, then with the difference, then you have to put all the item to the minus sides. It means you have to reduce the debit balance, or you may say put to the credit balance to the cash book. And now here is the word is referring to the 50,000 is plus. It means when the passbook is increasing, you have to increase this figure. When the passbook is decreasing, you have to put to the next column minus items. So now the second transaction is check issued but not presented for payment with the 6,000. It means bank has not given the payment. Is the bank is increasing with the 6,000, so it will increase the debit balance and come to the plus item side 6,000. So the title is to, in short, you have to write down the check issued but not presented for payment. In the same manner, point number 3, the bank directly collected the dividend 8,000. So now the bank is increasing. Collecting means received. So when the bank is increased, you have to put to the plus item sides where the debit balance of cash book is listed with the 50,000, the 8,000, and with the name of the dividend collected by bank. Next is the bank charges charged by bank. That means now bank is reducing. So the bank charges charged by bank, or the bank debited the items. That means the things are same. So the 400 will be listed to the minus because the bank is reducing now. And the check 6,000 deposit but not collected by bank. It means bank is now not collected. So bank is decreasing now with the 6,000 entry has been done in the cash book. So overall you may see here in these cases the debit balance of the cash book, you have to observe the balance of the passbook. If it is increasing, then the debit balance of cash book will increase. If it is reducing, then the put to the negative items. And see the difference of the both book now. The difference is see the difference between the plus and minus item. 57,600 is coming. It is referring the minus items are short, plus items are more. So what does it means? The when it is more, it means the debit balance of cash book is more. When the debit balance of the cash book is the favorable balance, so you may have to see the favorable balance of the passbook. It is credit. So you may write down here the credit balance as per passbook, that is 57,600, and make the total of the both sides same. This is the technique of the favorable balances of the cash book. So in the simple I am saying, first to put the favorable balance into the plus side and then to see to the bank in case of cash book. If bank is increasing, increase the favorable balance. If bank is reducing, reduce the favorable balance and put to the next column. In the same manner, the dealing with the favorable balances of the passbook is given here. The bank provide the passbook with a balance of 45,000 without writing here debit and credit. So when nobody is there, that means you have to take the favorable balance. For the bank is the favorable balance is credit for the plus. So that means the credit balance as per passbook is referring 45,000 and put to the favorable means plus sides. But in these cases, when the credit balance is listed, now you may have to observe the cash book. If the cash book is increasing, then the 40,000, 45,000 will be increased. The balance will be on the same side. If cash book is reduced, that means you have to put to the negative balance. So see the difference now. Check issued on 31st May is the listed day, and up to 31st May you have to see the difference now. Means amounting 25,940 is to be issued but not presented for the payment. So what will be now? It should be reduce the bank. So when I am referring to the, in that case is the what is happening in the cash book, checkbook is issued. So it means the cash book is reduced. So you have to reduce 45,000 to put into the minus items. So you may say you debited the favorable balance. And now the two checks listed 3,900 and 2,350 deposit into the bank, but not credit by the bank till June. So what does it mean? The tax deposited but not collected by the bank, but cash book is increased now. So that means the favorable balance is increased. So it will come to the credit balance of the passbook. So the 6,250 will be increased to the 45,000. So now there is a also the debit balance of the passbook with the 2,500 means the check dishonored. So what has happened? The checkbook is cash book is debited word is referring reduced, but the cash book is increased. So what will happen? This balance will increase favorable balance. Favorable means the plus item of the passbook. Now in this manner you have to prepare the all the things now. In the simple layman, I'm telling you how to do. First to put the credit balance into the plus side as a passbook. Then if cash book is increasing, increase 45,000 and put the data to the same side. Or if it is reducing, that means put the data to the credit side. So I think this is the way which you may use for the favorable balance. Thank you.